Major developments tonight as the world continues to shrink for those who are not vaccinated.
The province announcing today visitors to hospitals and long-term care homes must be vaccinated starting later this month. But the deadline for long-term care workers to get 2 doses is being extended.
The other major news today, all BC public servants must be immunized. That's more than 30,000 employees, but there's still no announcement for teachers. So far, no requirements for them to get their shots, even with case numbers rising in schools.
CTV's Maria Weisgarber has more.
It's the latest workforce vaccine mandate in BC. Public service employees will have to show proof of full COVID-19 vaccination by November 22nd.
We represent about 35,000 members directly impacted by this decision. We've got correctional officers, sheriffs, conservation officers, wildfire fighters, social workers.
The move follows mandates for workers in long-term care and assisted living and workers and volunteers at healthcare facilities.
We need to be showing the way and setting an example in our province here in the BC Public Service.
The BC General Employees Union says it doesn't come as a surprise, but they still have some questions about how it will be implemented.
We want to understand what exemptions are in place.
The province says those details will be released early next month. Meanwhile, proof of vaccination will be required starting October 12th for all visitors at long-term care homes and assisted living facilities in BC. And by October 26th, that requirement will also apply to visitors in acute care and community care settings.
We will, of course, have exceptions for certain situations like palliative and end-of-life care.
We're very pleased with the fact that they are bringing in this requirement for visitors to be fully vaccinated. It seemed like a bit of a gap.
The BC Care Providers Association says there is a government-funded greeter program at long-term care homes, which means there will be front-door staff available to check for proof when the requirement comes into effect.
I have heard from family members who have contacted us directly and who have been asking for this.
As for any long-term care workers who are still unvaccinated by next Tuesday and do not have a medical exemption, the Health Ministry says they will be going on a leave of absence without pay. Maria Weisgarber, CTV News.